find out what happened this Grand Prix so far, and we're going to start with qualifying session. An amazing pole by our Sharpie Shark. Pedro Costa will start first. Let's go. I need to increase my advantage. Let's check it out. Martin without pace. I don't have rivals this weekend. The perfect pole for me. Pole position by elimination. And now it's about time to talk about the sprint race. And we're going to start with the replay of the start. This weekend I want to be the only winner here, eh? Woo, we'll see about that. This is Alex Neta's land. There's no way I can finish a race. Oh no, me has crashed. Son of a Mimi! During the race, Jorge crashed. Bad weekend for the Aprilia rider. But the best battle was for the podium between the Spaniards. Woohoo! This victory will help me a lot. Coming through, the winner of the weekend. And now it's my moment to win in Spain. Now if I can stop you. Woohoo! Podium! I have to find an attack to avoid problems. And Alex Markland won the sprint race. Let's see the replay of the end of the race with our minis. Yeah, let's go! One more time, Alex Neta's land! That was really close. And if you want more, the next battle will be the race tomorrow. Let's ask that mini the weather for the Grand Prix.
Clouds and sun, nothing more to expect here.
And what is your predictions for this race?
Third position for Raul, second position for Marquez, and first victory for Acosta tomorrow.
Thanks, Mini, and that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.